Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and then for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6 plus 2. So I'll chain 26, so now that I've chained 26, for row 1 on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 1, then through the second chain from the hook, which is our first single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Skip the next 2 chains, and through this third chain, which is our last chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4. Now through this first 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now to finish row 3 I'll chain 1, then through this last single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I'll use yarn in different color. Then I'll turn my work around. Now through this first double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 7 double crochet. Through his last loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 4.